Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss about what is loan insurance, what are their benefits, types and how it works. So here is few resources: borrow, what is loan insurance, benefits, types, up to so on. What is loan insurance, benefits, types and how it works? When you borrow money from a lender or bank, you commit to paying it back over time. However, life can be unpredictable and unforeseen circumstances like disability or unemployment can make it challenging to meet those payments. That's where loan insurance comes into play. It's a safety net that steps in to cover your monthly loan payments for a specified period if you are unable to do so yourself. But with various policy options available, how do you know which one is right for you? In this blog, we will explore the different types of loan insurance and how to choose the best option for your needs. What is personal loan insurance? Insurance for personal loan is a safety net that ensures you can manage your loan commitments even during unexpected situations. Also known as loan cover insurance, it protects you against events that could affect your ability to repay the loan or burden your family repayment responsibilities if something happens to you. A loan insurance policy covers risks like loss of income, critical illness, disability, death. These policies offer benefits such as flexible payment options and customizable coverage to suit your needs. Typically, lenders give you the option to buy a loan insurance policy when your loan is approved. Ultimately, the choice to get extra protections is up to you. How does loan insurance work? Loan protection insurance helps the borrower repay the monthly loan payments for a predetermined amount of time, usually between 12 and 24 months. This is decided based on the loan amount and the type of policy chosen by the borrower. These policies are for people between the age of 18 to 65 who are employed at the time of purchase of the policy. To qualify, the individual must be employed for a minimum of 16 hours per week or be self-employed for a specified period. Loan protection insurance provides coverage for personal loans, home loans, car loans, credit cards, etc. There are two main types of insurance policies known as a standard policy and age-related policies. For either of the policies, the individual has to pay a specific premium amount with the assurance of availing the benefit of the policy as a policy holder during times of unemployment or disability. Some insurance companies also provide death benefits to their policy holders. Next, what are the benefits of personal loan insurance? First one is loan security. Personal loan cover offers security by lowering the outstanding loan amount if the borrower experiences accidental death, job loss, temporary disability. The second one is financial support. Insurance plans provide financial assistance to your family during difficult times by relieving them from the burden of monthly EMI. Third one is tax advantages. Certain loan insurance plans provide tax benefits eligible for deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Fourth one is return on investment. Depending on the insurer, some loan insurance policies may include a money back option where you receive a predetermined amount of the policy's conclusions. However, premiums decides for loan insurance. Premium is the amount to be paid by the policyholder for signing up for the loan protection insurance policy just like for any other insurance. The premium amount varies from bank to bank and from one insurance company to another. It depends on a few factors such as loan amount. First one is loan amount. Here is a direct relationship between the loan amount and premium. If the loan amount is high, the premium to be paid is also high. The second one is repayment period or tenure. If the tenure of the loan is long, the premium to be paid is high. Third one is age. The premium is higher for older individuals when compared to younger individuals because it is considered that the younger individuals tend to make fewer claims as they are more likely to be employed and in the pink of their health. First one and last one is health. The premium amount to be paid is higher for the individuals with poor health because the likelihood of claim is higher during that period. The next one is what are the different types of loan insurance? There are mainly two types of loan protection insurance policies. They are as follows. Standard policy. The standard loan protection insurance policy does not take into account the policyholder's age, gender, and occupation. The policyholder can determine the amount of coverage they want with the maximum coverage period being 24 months. This type of loan insurance is widely available with most loan providers. Also, the loan insurance does not pay until after the initial 60-day exclusion period. The second one is age-related policy. The age-related loan protection insurance policy takes into account the age of the policyholder and the amount of coverage they want with the maximum period of coverage being 12 months. Younger individuals are usually quoted with lower premiums because of their likelihood of making fewer claims. Older individuals are more likely to make claims because of deterioration of health and unemployment. With this acknowledge of the types of loan insurance and their different, it is important to choose the policy which best fits you and to read all the terms, conditions and exclusion before making the decision. Okay, the next one is what are the things to check before applying for loan insurance? Okay, it is important to ask yourself a few questions and have checklist before applying for loan insurance as follows. The first one is the total cost of insurance over the tenure period. This is important because even though the monthly premium might appear to be a small amount, it eventually adds up over the term of the tenure period. The second one is the insurance policy's terms, conditions and exclusions. This is essential because not all loan insurance policies cover